Now dream soufflé, a recipe for enlightenment. Ingredients: 1 dreamer, room temperature. 1 cup of lucid dreams, pureed. 1/4 cup of mixed archetypes, wise old man, shadow, eternal feminine, etc. 1 tablespoon of gossamer. A pinch of fatigue, optional. 1/4 cup of contemplation, aged and filtered. 1/2 cup of metaphoric understanding. 2 tablespoons of vindication. 1/4 teaspoon of inconsistency. Instructions: preheat your open mind to a comfortable temperature. In a large mixing bowl, combine the lucid dreams, archetypes, and gossamer. Stir until well combined. Sprinkle fatigue over the mixture if desired. Slowly add contemplation and metaphoric understanding, being careful not to overmix. Fold in the vindication and inconsistency, to add depth and complexity of flavor. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared subconscious, but avoid overfilling. Slide into a nap, setting the timer for your usual waking time. Once your slumber is finished, remove the insights from your dream and enjoy. This recipe should hopefully be more than self-serving, is not meant to be all-consuming, and should be taken with a grain of salt.